Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm going to talk about something outside the workshop today, which is along the lines of the workshop. I was on the road, but not very far, about 2 miles down the road, down the other end of East DE Avenue. And I had gone to the store, and on the way home I thought, well, it's a nice day, I'll take a drive. So I went the long way around and went all the way around the block, drove down by the Gull Lake Dam, and I noticed that they were doing some work on it. Well, I took some video, but before I give you the video of before I show you the video, I'm going to give you a little background. Gull Lake is a huge lake. It's like 2,300 acres or so. And no, excuse me, it's 2,030 acres. I'm reading from the WWMT website. And I'm not going to just read the whole thing off, but the dam was built in 1912. The current dam was built in 1912. The original dam was built in 1883. 1883, it was a log dam. The dam was owned by a cereal company, to quote Jeffrey Price, vice president of the Gull Lake Dam Association, which owns and operates the structure. Prior to that, it was owned by a mill. They used that to generate energy. I don't know what kind of energy, whether they were just running a grist mill. 1883, that's probably not going to be an electric generation system. With the goal of maintaining the dam, the Gull Lake Dam Association stepped in and acquired the dam in 1921. It's inspected every 2 years. It's 137 years old. Being proactive, the Gull Lake Dam Association, which seems to be a group of people that actually have it pretty well together. They've been watching the dam because that holds the Gull Lake at a level about 4 to 6 feet higher than what it normally would be without the dam. And when you look at Gull Lake, if they lost 6 foot of water, that would be pretty catastrophic. But anyways, with that background, I'm going to let you see what I saw when I drove by the dam. Interesting. It looks like they're tearing out the dam. If they're not tearing it out, they're coming awful close. They've dug out the spillway. Looks like they've taken all the boards out. Now they put in a copper dam. Well, maybe they're gonna rebuild the dam, I hope. Doesn't look like there's much there to hold back the water, though, does it? We got a pretty thin and old and cracked and beat up poured concrete wall. And the dam itself is pretty well hammered up. Probably a good thing if they are replacing it. At least I hope they are. If they don't replace it, Gull Lake is going to be gone. I probably won't give you an update every day, but as I get the chance, I'll drive by there because, like I said, it's just a little ways away. And I'll give you an update every once in a while because it's kind of cool watching somebody doing construction. And also, it's a major artifact. It's a big attraction here in the Richland area, and Gull Lake has over 1,000 houses around it, so there's a lot of people there. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.